ever watched a reel and swiped away but wanted to find it again and couldn't? Well, I'm here to help you. So let's say you're on Instagram in the Reels tab and just watching some Reels. And then you're like, oh my God, I love that video, but I lost it. So first thing you can do is you can just swipe back like this and find any video that maybe you lost it. Another way is if you have some interactions with any of these reels. Let's say I comment on them or I like them. So when I go to setting, and from this list, I choose your activity. Here, if I choose likes, I'm going to see everything that I have liked. Exactly like this video. I can unlike it if I want, or I can like it again, or comment on it, or even repost it, whatever. And if I go to the comments section, here I can find the reel that I left a comment on. Easy peasy. Even if I repost some reels, I can find them in the repost section. So I hope this helps.